What's up, guys? It's Neesy Rachel and welcome back to another video. So this video is, as you can see down below, chit chat get ready with me. I will be discussing my move with you all. For those who don't know, I did move back home with my parents a year ago in June. So I'm just gonna kind of talk about the move and why I moved and how it's been. So let's get to it. All right, so let me do my brows. I will list all the products down below. Hold on, because I don't have a mirror and I can't see nothing. Okay, so the move. I moved back home with my parents May 31st, or you might as well just say June 1st, because it was technically June 1st. I moved back home with my parents June 1st, 2020. As you all know, the pandemic had hit and whatnot. I'm a licensed esthetician, so when they shut us down, they shut us down. Like, I didn't have any extra funds or anything coming in. So like, my clients could not come and get their services done, and I could not make money weekly like I'm used to. So I made the decision that, okay, I need to go ahead and move back home, you know, until this blows over and I can, you know, rebuild my clientele. So I moved back home into my old room, and it's not y'all, it's really not bad. I mean, yes, I miss having my own personal space and whatnot, but it is definitely not what people make it seem. And I guess this video is gonna kind of be like more motivational for people who are in my predicament. So like, I moved home and I have still been working. So when they did finally open everything back up, I did continue to work. And I actually end up working from home still. But I think I'm a lot closer. I was a lot closer for my clients now that I'm home. And so my clients did like that. A lot of my clients actually did not mind me being home. So it was going well, but I did lose a ton of my clientele because of the pandemic. So like, most of my clients are older clients, like they're mature adults. So listen, I always get told I have an old soul, and that's why I attract older people. So old, like mature adults are very comfortable with me, and I don't know, that was like majority of my clientele. So when the pandemic came, they were like, oh yeah, I'm a little nervous about coming in and getting services and da-da-da-da. So like, I lost a lot of my people. So in the process of rebuilding, which I am still in the process of rebuilding, I was going to go into this shop in Riverside, so it wouldn't have been too far away from where I currently live. And I end up not going. My boyfriend's mom actually reached out to me when I was going to go, and as you all know, I'm with her like every day now. Like, I'm always with her. But she reached out to me in the midst of me wanting to go to this new shop, and she was like, why don't you just come and work with me, and like, you know, I'll help you out and whatnot. So I was like, you know what, yeah, I'll do that, because like, that's family, so why not? So I did end up going into the shop with my boyfriend's mom. I did not go to that other location. There was nothing wrong with the other location, y'all. Like, I really like the owner of the other location. She's really cool, and I had known her prior to her opening up her own spot. So there was nothing wrong with that. I just chose to go the family route. So I moved into the new shop on January 1st, 2021. So now we're like into a whole year later. And yeah, it's been good. I really like being up there. My clients love the location. The ones that I have retained or built since I've been there. And I've actually added more services since I've been there because I have access to more things. So I enjoy it, and I enjoy like working with her. Y'all understand, this lady is a hoot, okay? Like we get along very, very well. And I know that's weird because people don't really get along with their in-laws, and me and her get along very well. As she always says, like, you just have the personality and the spirit to deal with me, because a lot of people can't deal with me and you can. I just think she cool and funny. I don't know what other people are getting from that, but hey, even my boyfriend was a little concerned. And I'm like, I don't know why y'all so concerned. Like, I'm easy to get along with. I'm an easygoing person, so I think me being easy to get along with has definitely helped us get along with each other easily. So I've been working with her since January 1st. I'm still slowly building. Like, being an entrepreneur, you're gonna have your high weeks and your low weeks. Like, some weeks are gonna be like amazing weeks financially or client wise, and then some weeks it's gonna be like real slow. You're gonna be like, girl, am I doing the right thing? Like, what am I doing? Like, what am I doing wrong? Is what you're gonna feel like. But that is just how this business works. And so you just have to constantly like be consistent in your posting and being consistent in advertising and whatnot. So like me and her have come up with some different ways to go ahead and get some advertisement out to help both of us. She's actually been in this industry for over 30 years, so she, you know, she got the pull. So we are currently doing that. I am currently still home. I actually don't mind being home because me and my parents get along well. We are all actually Virgos too, so like I think that might help with us getting along because we kind of have the same tendencies in a way. And I don't know, I just don't mind being here, but I do want my own place like ASAP, y'all. ASAP. I gotta go. It's just certain things that I'm used to doing. Like, I'm a nudist. I don't like wearing clothes, so I can't do that here. And like sometimes, you know how you just want to be alone. You can't really be alone in a house with other people. So those are things I do miss. And then the surplus of stuff I have, because I had been out of the house for 4 years. So like all this stuff I have, 2 rooms. It's in between 2 freaking rooms. So my room is like jam-packed with stuff. And then our old computer room is jam-packed with stuff because I just don't have the space. But yeah, I'm working on it. I am definitely working towards getting my own place. I've actually found the place I want to move to, and when I get to that point, y'all will definitely be on that journey with me. I don't want to tell y'all where I'm moving, but like I will definitely show y'all when I move, like the inside and whatnot. I'm not even gonna tell y'all like my goals of when I want to move. I just know it's coming. It's coming. But that on the moving back home and whatnot. Again, like, me and my parents get along, so this is not a hard process for me. And I thank God for that, because this definitely could be like worse. Like, it could definitely be worse. But that's that. I guess the next thing I want to talk about was really my business. So, like I said, y'all ignore this band-aid, like I cut myself again. Like I said, business-wise, like, it's been slow, and usually the June, July months are slow months. The kids are out of school, so parents are like using extra money for that. I did not test that time, and it's obvious. But yeah, parents are like dealing with that. Kids are home, so they're spending more money on groceries and stuff. So it's not as upsetting as it was 4 years ago when I first became an esthetician. Because 4 years ago when I first became an esthetician and this happened, I was like, oh no baby, this ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to jump ship. And the kids do not jump ship. Like, don't jump ship. Like, unless it's like really hindering you from where you're trying to be. Like, but I feel like if you're in a good place with good people, then it, you know, people that can help you grow, then you're fine. But that first year, the second year, maybe even the third year, you're gonna be like, I don't know. So just try to be patient. Patience is a virtue in this business, man. Being a business owner, period. And I always see this one quote where it says that first $100,000 is a struggle. And when I tell y'all it's a struggle for real, it really is a struggle. That first 100,000, you're gonna be like, man, I could be doing something else at this point. But don't let that like get you down. And you know, that's kind of why I have a problem with a lot of people saying, like, who hold these classes and stuff, and they be like, oh, make $100,000 in a year, but they always leave out that it's not going to be the first year, it's not going to be the second year, it might not be the third year, fourth year, it may be the fifth or the sixth year by the time you make that $100,000. And I feel like that's something that needs to be talked about more, because people come into this business thinking it's a get rich quick thing, and it's not. I know several people in this business who, yeah, we do well, but it's not $100,000 first year, because that's really not how that works. But if it is something that you're interested in, I always tell everybody, just go for it. Like, go to school, of course, because I see a lot of people just taking these lash classes and coming into business, and that's not how that works. Like, you do have to go to school. You have to be licensed, a licensed esthetician or cosmetologist, one of them, before you decide to start taking clients and stuff. And if you are out there taking clients without being licensed, if that's not legal in your state, please go get licensed. Like, I beg of you to do the right thing. But yeah, that's that on business. My YouTube channel is doing really well, y'all. Like, thank you all for those who tune in to all my videos. Like, I really appreciate it. YouTube emailed me this morning. We finally are over 100 subscribers, so that is awesome. And I'm like just stoked because I just did not see myself getting this far with how long I've been doing this. But I'm finally getting the results that I've always wanted from this channel. And it's because of y'all. Like, y'all actually, like, y'all be tuning in and leaving comments and liking the videos, and I really, really appreciate it. I really, really appreciate it. But yeah, I've been more consistent since the pandemic too. Like, I post literally at least twice a week, sometimes 3. And I've went from the weekly or the daily vlogs to weekly, and I think that has helped with me, cause those daily vlogs are hard, man. Like, trying to edit every night and post every day, that junk like gets really, really hard. But yeah, so that is that on YouTube, and I'm just going to finish my makeup now because I don't have nothing else to update you all on. I updated you all on my move and how that's going. I updated you all on my business, and I also updated you all on my YouTube. So this little chit chat was like a short chit chat, but it was, you know, an informative about me chit chat. So I'm going to finish my makeup and y'all just hang out now. Alright guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you like this look that I gave to you all, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next one.